Hi, I'm Mike Gallagher in the office of my dentist, Dr. Chris Hoskins, at Hoskins Family and Dentistry on Roper Mountain Road in Greenville, and I've cornered the guy himself, the man himself, Dr. Chris Hoskins. You've got a great story about becoming a dentist. Years ago, I played the mad dentist in Little Shop of Horrors in a production of Little Shop of Horrors at Little Theater in Greenville. The crazy dentist who liked to hurt people. He inflicted pain. You've seen Steve Martin?
Yeah, definitely Steve Martin.
So I got to ask you, Dr. Hoskins, what led to you making the decision to become a dentist?
Well, I actually loved Steve Martin in that movie. I actually dressed up as him and for Halloween. So, but really, I think that I had like a lot of dental anxieties, like most people do, and so my dentist was not that great whenever I was growing up. So whenever I got older, I met one that was fantastic. He told me exactly what he was going to do, and he never hurt me. And I don't know, it just changed my entire way I thought about the profession and just being treated. So I just wanted to give that to other patients and take away some of that dental anxiety, because it's tough. It's tough coming in to have work done and not be the favorite place for you to work.
Every time I went to the dentist, I remember being hurt. And that's something that we don't like to talk about. But I think people like me have a sort of instinctive fear of going to the dentist because it's not a particularly pleasant experience. Now, I'm not saying this for the benefit of the camera or the fact that you guys are partners with us at Conservative Talk 94.5. This is the first dental office I've ever been to in my life where the hygienist, in this case, Lindsay Mullinax, doesn't hurt me ever. You never hurt me. But that's a very big deal to people. But Dr. Hoskins, I don't think a lot of dentists are willing to address that.
Yeah, well, I mean, you have to have empathy. I mean, you have to have been put in that situation and felt that kind of fear and anxiety to be able to address it. And I mean, I feel like we have just put together such a great team and empathetic staff, and we just know how hard it is to come in. You're trusting your dentist and us with your money, with your health, with some pretty big decisions in your life. So I mean, I just think that this is a very unique situation, a unique practice that we have. But we understand what it's like to have that kind of anxiety, and we love having you here, man. But yeah, I'm glad Lindsay's nice to you.
The minute you walk in, the first day I was here, from the front desk to the dental hygienists to the interaction with you, the dentist, I mean, clearly you guys have a vision that this is going to be a better experience than most, I think, other dental experiences that people have had.
Definitely, and I've been in different dental practices. So what I don't want to do is ship people in and out like cattle, and I see a lot of that. We try to take each person that comes in and individualize their treatment. I mean, to get to know them a little bit, they become part of our dental family. Because, like I said, if you're going to trust somebody, a dentist, with that many portions of your life, you've got to be able to trust them. And so we're giving them that experience, something that I would want if I was coming here.